Welcome to Sydney Met Quick Learning Hub. Last week, we explored competitive advantage.
Competitive advantage is what makes a business stand out. It's the unique value or edge that helps it perform better than its rivals in the market. Competitive advantage can be achieved in different ways, like cost leadership, for example, Walmart offering low prices, or through product differentiation, like Apple, known for its sleek, well-designed products that stand out. Companies can also gain competitive advantage by targeting niche markets, like those offering only luxury goods. Another powerful way to gain competitive advantage is innovation, like SpaceX creating reusable rockets to solve big problems.
Whatever you have that is better than your competitor to outperform, that is your competitive advantage.
Sometimes it's that little edge that wins the race. That's competitive advantage.